update the total value to be the sum of the subtotal and tax values. So we have to use the this keyword so that we are telling JavaScript we are referring to this total, which is assigned to the sum of the this subtotal and then the this tax. So we are telling JavaScript that we are assigning that the addition of this subtotal and then this tax is assigned to this total. And this is how we told JavaScript with this code. But our code does not seem to work, and it only accepts this code. But preferably using the this keyword is a good practice, so that we make our code more maintainable and more code readability, so that we can make our code more readable. So anyways, that's it. Nice.